Can you guess the animal just by its picture? Let's start. First one. Lion, king of the jungle. Second one. Elephant, biggest land animal. Third one. Tiger, spotted predator. If you got the first three, smash that like button. Fourth one. Giraffe, fifth one. Zebra, quick check. Are you paying attention? Don't cheat. No peeking at the next slide. Sixth one. Monkey, seventh one. Kangaroo, eighth one. Panda, ninth one. Crocodile. All right. Ready for the ultimate animal challenge? 10th one. Dolphin, comment your score below and follow for more fun animal quizzes.